So Pat and I just got the cooking blender. It's our newest addition to our kitchen. We're over at the Parentals for dinner tonight, and I really loved that sweet potato soup I made the other day, so I thought we're gonna just bring it over and make it here. Super easy. We literally just got home from the grocery store, what, like 15 minutes ago?
Yep.
Super easy. I bought whole sweet potatoes and peeled and chopped. And again, super fast and easy. So 4 cups of sweet potatoes. I did 2.5 cups of vegetable broth or vegetable stock. And then we're gonna do some fresh sage, a few leaves of that. And putting that in there, we're gonna add some salt. It says a teaspoon. That looks about a teaspoon, yeah?
No, it does.
He likes a lot of salt.
Salt's not bad for you.
And the way the recipe says is to add the ingredients in the order that they're listed. So we're actually putting our 4 cups of sweet potatoes in. And guys, I really wanted to show you. I'm literally doing not cooked, not softened, just chopped sweet potato. I'm gonna add a few cloves of garlic and some onion that I, again, just chunky chopped. So I really can't think of anything easier. And that's it. And we're gonna have the tastiest soup in about 20-30 minutes.
You excited for soup?
Yeah. This actually has a heating plate, so it cooks it while it's grinding it. So we're gonna go to our soup setting, and I'm gonna press OK, and it's gonna do its thing.
Just like that.
And it just takes some time, 20 minutes. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna heat it up, and we'll show you a video or a picture at the end of how creamy and amazing it is. And that's it. That's Pat saying bye. Okay, so we're back from the pumpkin patch. Literally came back, this said end. All you guys saw in our previous video where I threw whole sweet potatoes that I'd cut in here. But look, I just want to show you. It's steamy. The heating plate has made hot, fresh soup. Look how creamy. Oh, yes. So we're going to add, I don't know, maybe some goat cheese and some pumpkin seeds. Not sure. Gavin's sitting here saying, ugh, he's not a fan. That's okay. It's delicious. So that's it. I just had to show you guys just how creamy it is, because it's delicious and so crazy easy.